So friends, to solve this simplification problem, we follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction rule. So there is an expression and we have a 5 option also. So we are just break it down expression by step solution. First step says first we have to do 1/3 of 2529. So 1/3 of 2529, when you will cut it down, it will 1/3 of means multiplication 2529, and after cutting the values 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. So step 2 says 42% of 1450. So we can write it like 42 upon 100 multiply 1450. It will become 0.42 multiply 1450. Now you can easily multiply 42 multiply by 14.5. You can use Vedic math trick. 14, 42. You can take 0 for balancing. 2 5s are 10. 1 will be carry over. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8. 28 plus 1 29. 2 will be carry over. 0 into 5 0. 1 into 2 2. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 18 plus 2 20. 2 will be carry over. Then again 4 into 0 0. 4 into 1 1. 4. 4 plus 2 that is 6 and 1 into 0 0. So 6090 6090 and put the decimal after one digit. It will cut down 609. Step 3 says combine the results on the left hand side. So first 843 plus 609 is equal to set up the equation and isolate the unknown number x square, that is 1452 is equal to x square minus 949. Now we'll transpose the values. X square is equal to 1452 and then plus 949. After adding of it, you will get 2401. So there is a square, and square after transposing it will become a root. Now we can use a Vedic math trick. Group the digits first. Pair the numbers from left to right like 24 and 01. Now find the last digit. This is a 1 last digit. Therefore the square root's last digit must be 1 or a 9. You can say since 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. So it will also a 1 as a unit place. So find the first digit. Look at the first pair 24 and the largest perfect square less than 24 is 16. Root 16 is 4 and so the first digit is 4. So first digit is 4 and narrow it down. The answer is either 41 or a 49. So how can we find that 41 or 49? What will be the answer? So test again the middle. Use 45 square as a benchmark. So trick for 45 square, what we have to do, simple 4 into 4 plus 1, that is 20. So then attach the 25 of it. So 2025. Since 2401 is greater than 2025, so the square root must be a larger, that is 49. So the value of question mark is 49. Correct option is D will be the correct answer. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.